Hi guys, welcome to Crystals and Diamonds. Today I'm going to make a peppermint sugar scrub. Why I chose this sugar scrub, it's because it's for your lips and it can moisturize your lips and take off all the dry skin. So let's get on to the video. So the ingredients what we have here is coconut oil, sugar, essential oils which is peppermint, red food coloring, which is optional, and my container, a mixing bowl, and some spoons. Okay, now I'm going to add a tablespoon of sugar. And now I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of coconut oil. Now I'm gonna set it down. Now I'm gonna stir. Okay, now we're gonna set this down. And now we are going to put 3 drops of my peppermint essential oil. One, 2, 3. Got that. I'm gonna close it up. Now we are going to take this and we're going to mix. This is coming out good. Okay, now we are going to set this down again. And now we are going to add my food coloring. 1 drop or more is fine. Okay, so now 1 drop. Now we are going to mix. Okay, a little bit more mixing. Okay, we're done with that. Now we're gonna set this down and then now we're gonna measure it. That's the hard part, for me, I guess. Open that up. There's. I'm gonna take a little and see if it all fits in here. Alright guys, it's all finished. Now I'm gonna try it out. Oh, it smells just like peppermint. Now let's try it out. Take some on our finger, dab it, and scrub. Wow, my lips are so moisturized. Okay, make sure to subscribe and like to Crystals and Diamonds. See you next time on Crystals and Diamonds. Bye!